Little birds from Little Life Pets. So cute. What was it? Your friends? Then his friends should be around here too. Let's go and find them. Another little bird. Little Life Pet friend. Come down. Yes! Ooh, look at them birds. They're so cute. What is it? There's one more. Ooh! There's another one. Look at all of you guys. Guys, look what I found. Little birds from Little Life Pets. I rescued them all. They are 3 to collect in season 10. They make 20 cute bird sounds. They have cute eyelashes and their feathers have glitter on them, which is really cute too. You can collect them at all the toy shops. Look at them, they're all so cute and their eyelashes are really cute too. I like them. So this is the bird. If you rub here, then it respawns. You can hold this button at the front right over here and then you can say what you want and then the bird will say it. And the feathers are actually really cute with the nice glitter. And I like her eyelashes, they're so cute. Let's try and record my voice. For your chance to win Little Life prizes. For your chance to win Little Life prizes, please visit www.littlelifetoys.co.uk.
For your chance to win Little Life prizes, please visit www.littlelifetoys.co.uk.
It's so cute because when they repeat it and they're speaking, they're moving their heads and they're saying it in a cuter way. Guys, I'm so happy that I rescued all of the birds. Look at them. They're all so cute. You can find them at all the toy shops. Thanks for watching. Bye. Tweet, tweet.